Hospitals across the state are raising the alarm.
This is our COVID. This is our moment in pediatrics.
An influx of patients is forcing Seattle Children's to admit patients in hallways and lobbies. And in Tacoma, Mary Bridge Children's says dozens of people are waiting at any given time for beds.
We have children in our waiting room that have been waiting since 10 o'clock last night, so greater than 12 hours.
Mary Bridge reports 80% of its admissions are respiratory related. Makaila Battles knows what those families are going through.
The cold came on super fast and it was super aggressive. He was fine one day and then the next day he woke up just so sick.
Mary Bridge cared for her then 3-week-old son last December when he had RSV.
They were amazing. Honestly, I was a wreck because my husband and my daughter had RSV really bad because it does affect adults too. And so he couldn't come to the hospital with me. And so it was just me and my son, and they made sure I had everything I needed. They were so caring.
She says parents should learn signs and symptoms and go into this holiday season with awareness and care.
Hand sanitizer, no kissing. That would be my rules.
She also encourages parents to make a plan just in case.
And being in the hospital is really hard, but you'll get past it and just love your baby and cuddle him and know that you did nothing wrong. Unfortunately, it's where we're living right now. And all I can say is make sure you know your access, know what numbers you need to call if this happens or what hospitals you can go to.
And RSV is common. It does not always require hospitalization. In most cases, people will recover healthfully without having to go to the hospital. When you want to be concerned is if an infant is having trouble breathing or if they're dehydrated. That's when you should seek care. And hospitals say that these cases of RSV are on top of the other challenges they were already facing, including an increased need for behavioral health care, a comparable small number of beds statewide available, and of course now the start of flu season. Live at Seattle Children's, Erica Zucco, King 5 News.